Hello everyone, this is Normal here for Technique, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of yet another mid-range phone from Honor in India, the Honor 9 Lite. So recently we have reviewed some of the really good smartphones from Honor, the Honor 9i, the Honor 7X, the Honor View 10. So all these devices come with really great specifications and dual camera setup. So we have the latest variant, the Honor 9i in India. So this was announced in December 2017 in China, and the device is right now announced in India as well. So this will go on sale sometime later this month. So the official announcement of the pricing is on Jan 17th. So we don't know really the pricing of this device as of now, but this will be available in India towards the end of this month. So in this video we'll talk about this device. We'll do a quick unboxing of this device, and we'll show you some of the camera samples. It has this EMUI 8.0, very similar to what we have seen on the Honor View 10, but this does have some restrictions when compared to the UI on the Honor View 10, because that's a flagship device. This is a mid-range phone, and we also have Android Oreo out of the box, and this comes in two variants. It has 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, and 4 and 64GB storage variant as well. So without any further delay, let's get started. And we have this box packing. So we are told that this is not the retail box packing of this device. This is just a review device. So the retail box pack will not be drastically different, but there might be some additional changes as well. So we have the gray variant of this device. So this is the first time gray variant is coming to India. So this will come in three colors: black, blue and gray variant. So we have the 4GB 64GB storage variant, and you can see that it has quad cameras. That's the specialty of this device. Full view display and 2.5D curved glass on the front and rear panel, and this has an aluminum frame. So that's the specialty. So without any further delay, let's open the box. So you can see the device on the top. So this is the gray variant of the Honor 9 Lite. So it looks good. It's a glass finish on the rear panel, and on the front panel it's made of aluminum chassis. So we'll come back to the device in a while. So inside the box you get this SIM ejector pin. Then we have this standard adapter. So let's see the voltage rating of this device. So you can see that it's 5 volt 2 ampere. So no support for fast charging as usual, like the Honor 9i and the 7X. Then we have the standard cable. This is a micro USB charging cable, so again no C-type port. And we are also told that the retail unit of this device will come with a case very similar to what we have seen on the View 10. So there will be a case included in the box pack. As of now, this box does not have the case, but case will be included in the retail box. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So there you go, that's the Honor 9 Lite. So this comes with quite similar specifications as that of the Honor 9i. So it has a smaller display here. So it has 5.65 inches display on a 5.2 inch chassis, and this has full view display, 18:9 aspect ratio, 1080p resolution. That's a full HD plus resolution, 2160 by 1080p resolution display. And it has high silicon Kirin 659 octa-core chipset. That's the same chipset which is powering the Honor 9i as well. It comes in two variants: 32GB storage, 464GB storage, and this has a dual hybrid SIM card slot as well. And this also comes with Android Oreo out of the box. So on the camera front, again quad cameras. We have a dual camera on the rear panel. This is a 13 and 2 megapixel camera combination, f-stop 2.2, and we have a front facing 13 and 2 megapixel camera combination. Again, it's an f-stop 2.0. So again here as well we get some AI implementations in terms of the camera performance. So that's quite similar to what we have seen on the Honor View 10 as well. So we have a EMUI 8.0. That's the latest version, and it does come with Android Oreo out of the box. So this is the EMUI, quite similar to what we have seen on the View 10. So looking at about phone, we have the 4GB and 64GB storage variant, and we get around 52.88GB out of the box. So it is running on Oreo out of the box. So that's the UI. So it looks quite similar to what we've seen on the View 10 feature wise as well. And this has 3000 mAh battery. So that's an inbuilt battery, and the fingerprint scanner is mounted on the rear panel. So that's the fingerprint scanner. So this looks quite similar to the Honor 8, which was launched a couple of years back. So the glass finished front and rear panel, and also Honor 8 Lite, which again came with the glass finishing, so which was launched last year. So this is the Honor 8, I mean the Honor 9 Lite, and the pricing of this device is not known yet. So we'll be updating once we get an information on the pricing. The pricing should be available on Jan 17. That's the official date when this device will be launched in India. So two variants will be on sale. Now let's go to the camera interface. We'll have a look at what's on offer. So we have this quad camera. So interface remains almost similar. We have portrait mode, wide aperture mode, and a whole lot of modes included. You can see that the number of modes here is less, but you can go ahead and download additional modes if you want. So that's the version difference we are talking about. The company officials mentioned that this is Honor EMUI 8.0 Lite version. Lite version does not mean that feature cut down is there. Some features will have to implement it. For example, the camera modes only some 10 modes are included, but you can go ahead and download additional modes. So those are the things which will be available in the Lite version of the EMUI, and also some areas we'll talk about that later in our EMUI video of this device. So we'll show you what all features it has in that video. So now looking at the video recording of this device, so you can see here its maximum is full HD 1080p resolution. There is no 4K recording available on this device. So that's the video recording. So let's just have some camera sample. It's a pretty fast interface. So here are some of the samples which we have taken with the Honor 9 Lite. After unboxing the device, we'll be coming up with a detailed camera review of this device, so stay tuned for that. And we'll also be comparing the camera with other Honor devices, namely the Honor 9i, the 7X, the Mi A1, and also the Moto G5 S Plus. So stay tuned for all those videos coming up later next week. That's the camera of the Honor 9 Lite. So that's all with the Honor 9 Lite unboxing and hands-on. So we have the grey variant of this device. It actually looks pretty good. This first time Honor is launching the grey variant, and looks pretty good in terms of the build quality, fit and finish, and the glass finish definitely is premium looking in this price segment. So that's all with unboxing and hands-on with the Honor 9 Lite. So stay tuned for more videos coming up. So we'll also be posting the detailed review of this device next week. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.